Hey everybody, welcome back to the Western Southerner YouTube channel. I'm sitting in this 2005 Toyota Highlander. My wife got it and we took it on a 2-day adventure up in the mountains. I'm gonna give you kind of 4 things that I was really impressed with regarding this vehicle if you're interested in buying one, so stay tuned. So the first things first is these racks are just awesome. They're adjustable. They'll slide back and forth. A factory rack on a Highlander. An 11-foot supboard, 9.5-foot kayak. These are 12-foot cam straps to hold it on. Okay, so the second thing about this Highlander, which is great, is the ride. It's smooth, it's comfortable, it's quiet. You look down and you're going 70 miles an hour and you don't even realize it on the highway. So it's a really comfortable ride. These things are built on like a Camry chassis, I believe. So it's a unibody frame. It's not as heavy duty as like a 4Runner, but that also means that it's a much better ride, a lot more practical, when you're on the highway. Okay, this Highlander has like really impressive ground clearance. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. Okay, that's my Z71 Chevy pickup truck right there, and this is the Highlander. I don't know exactly what the ground clearance is, but there's a lot of space underneath there. We drove on some surprisingly rough roads with some rocks and ruts, and this thing did great on those roads. So the one thing to know, this says 4-wheel drive, but this car is not 4-wheel drive, it's all-wheel drive. Tell a little difference at one particularly rough part of the trail. When it was really off camber, we spun a tire and had to back up and get a little bit of momentum, but we got right up the trail. It's got a really big back seat. And what we did was we flipped this forward here. Okay, so you pull this latch and then you have to hold the seat back down here, and then this will eventually tip on all the way over. That gives you a little bit more storage space. So you can see there's quite a bit of storage in the back. We've got some goodies in there right now, but we put a cooler, like a 55-quart cooler, a 100-liter duffel bag, 3 PFDs, 2 breakdown paddles, other miscellaneous bags, 2 big Paco pads, all in this space. And the Hound Dog rode right there, and he had plenty of space too, so a lot of good space in here. The cooler would fit long ways in there. There it is from the back. Hey folks, so the last thing I'll say about the Highlander is we got about 20 to 22 miles per gallon pretty consistently with it. Now that's highway driving, mountain driving, around town driving, 20 to 22 mpg. There's actually a 3rd seat that pops up in the back, and I think that might be only on the limited edition Highlanders. The 3rd row seat is kind of small, but it is a nice thing to have. Lastly, there's a 12-volt plug-in socket in the rear storage area of the Highlander, which is pretty sweet. Nice feature to have. Thanks for watching, everybody. Click like and subscribe if this video is helpful, and stay tuned.